Lantana, Skyhawk 088, departing 9, close traffic.
Oh, he's already down. Those friggin' things. All right, let's go. All right, a little bit of wind from the left.
All right, let's do it.
Lantana traffic, Skyhawk 088, base to final 9er to Lantana. Head on, glide path that's sinking away.
Lantana Truck After 47, 2 Alpha Tango's on the go, Alpha Taxiway, we'll extend the upwind for 1,000, Lantana.
Back on, good.
1, 2.
Speed's looking better. So keep it coming down. It just went white, so power out, pitch down a little. We'll put you back on. A little more power out.
A little more power?
A little more power out.
Oh. Yeah, I was going to say. I'm a little high.
1500's just a guide. It'll get you stabilized, but every approach is different. All right, down we come. We're gonna catch it probably about the grass, and then once we do, we can pull the power out. A little fast again, take your power out.
London traffic, power out, 785 Alpha Sierra, 10 to the west inbound, Lantana.
All right. Full power?
Full power?
Full power.
Power. Going around again?
Yep.
Okay.
Every student does that. I say go around, I say full power, I gotta tell them 3 times. Skyhawk 088's going around 9, Lantana.
What did I jack up there?
You were way too high.
Wow, this is fun, man.
I love my job.
Alright, turning into final.
But whether you realize it or not, all those things I was beating into you for 10 hours, you're doing now without thinking about it so much.
1, 2.
You're in slow flight almost the whole time. You're doing a constant rate descent. You're pitching for your speed power for altitude.
2 Alpha Tango is tight right downwind for runway 9. We'll be
your patterns are good. You're correcting for the wind. You're using coordinated flight. All those things I was teaching you now come into play, except we got this extra factor of being within 15 feet of the runway, where you got to work really hard. Skyhawk 088, short final 9, Lantana. All right, we're getting
And 2
off,
Alpha Tango is going to sidestep. We'll power off 180 to Alpha.
All right, a little high. Runway's made, you can take the power out. Ground out.
London traffic 785 Alpha Sierra 3 to the west.
Just a little, sorry.
Alright.
All right.
That was good.
That was better.
Thank you, sir.
You could have held off a little more, but that was... You didn't smack the nose wheel or anything.
No.
That was acceptable.
No,
That was mostly you.
No, it was, I felt good. I felt good. You know, that first time...
That was a good round out.
I felt it this time.
The only time you ballooned is when I jerked it, just in case we were going to...
Slam into the ground.
Well, I don't want that nose coming down.